Looking for the best car paint touch-up pen that are actually worth your money? Today, I've picked the top 5 best car paint touch-up pen that are available in the market right now based on quality, performance, and customer reviews. You can find the latest prices and product links in the description below. Let's get started. Starting with our first pick, Automotive car paint touch-up pen. This black car touch-up paint offers a practical and budget-friendly way to handle minor scratches, chips, and paint damage without immediately visiting a repair shop. Its thick formula is designed to provide a smooth, glossy finish while blending closely with the vehicle's original black paint, with the manufacturer claiming compatibility with around 90% of black cars. The waterproof and UV-resistant coating adds useful protection against moisture, fading, and harsh weather, potentially helping prevent minor damage from developing into rust. Application is straightforward. Clean the area, shake the paint, and apply it evenly, adding layers for deeper scratches. The included metal tip works well for tiny chips, while the brush is better suited to larger marks. However, users should test the color first and avoid expecting professional quality results on deep or extensive damage. Next up is Tailgensai car paint touch-up pen. This black car touch-up paint is a convenient solution for covering light scratches, chips, scuffs, and small surface imperfections without the expense of professional bodywork. Its formula is designed to blend with most black automotive finishes, with a claimed match of up to 90%, helping restore a cleaner, glossier appearance. The waterproof and UV-resistant coating adds useful protection against rain, washing, fading, and potential rust formation around exposed areas. Application is beginner-friendly. Clean and dry the surface. Shake the pen for about 30 seconds, then apply thin, even coats, allowing deeper scratches to build up gradually. The 2-in-1 design is particularly practical, with a fine metal tip for tiny chips and narrow scratches and a brush for larger scuffs. However, color matching can vary between vehicles, so testing first is essential. Overall, it's a useful, affordable option for quick cosmetic touch-ups. Coming in at number 3 is Viralic car paint touch-up pen. Viralic black touch-up paint is a practical option for repairing minor scratches, chips, and paint damage while improving the vehicle's overall appearance. Its rich formula is designed to spread smoothly and create a glossy finish that blends with the original coating, while water and fade-resistant properties help protect repaired areas from moisture, weather exposure, and potential rust. The 2-in-1 applicator is a useful feature, combining a precision metal tip for small nicks with a soft brush for wider scratches and scuffs. Application is straightforward. Clean the surface, remove debris, shake the pen, and apply thin coats in one direction, with deeper marks requiring additional layers. A claimed 10-minute drying time makes it convenient for quick touch-ups. However, achieving a truly seamless finish depends on selecting the correct shade and applying carefully, so testing beforehand is recommended. Overall, it's a convenient, versatile solution for minor cosmetic repairs. Now number 4, Scuffs car paint touch-up pen. This car touch-up paint pen is a convenient solution for handling minor scratches, scuffs, and paint imperfections without complicated tools or professional assistance. Its 2-in-1 brush and fine-tip design provides useful flexibility, with the nib suited to narrow scratches and the brush better for broader marks. The availability of multiple colors is another advantage, although users should carefully compare the cap color swatch with their vehicle before applying the paint, as an exact match is not guaranteed. Application is relatively simple. Clean the damaged area, shake the pen until the rollerball moves freely, then apply a thin coat and allow it to dry before adding additional layers. Working in one direction can help create a more even finish. Importantly, this product is designed to blend with surrounding paint and reduce the visibility of scratches rather than completely erase deep damage. Overall, it is a practical choice for quick cosmetic touch-ups. And finally, our last pick is Bismo car paint touch-up pen. Flawless color match technology. Our automotive touch-up paint uses advanced blending formulas to achieve seamless color correction. The car paint scratch repair area naturally merges with original coatings. This automotive touch-up paint offers a practical, budget-friendly way to improve the appearance of minor scratches, chips, and blemishes without immediately visiting a body shop. Its color blending formula is designed to merge with the vehicle's original finish, while the two-in-one applicator provides greater control for different repair sizes. The fine metal tip is useful for pinpoint scratches and small chips, while the soft brush handles broader blemishes and can even be used on black rims. Application is straightforward. Clean the surface thoroughly, shake the pen for around 30 seconds, and apply thin coats in one direction. A claimed 10-minute drying time makes the process convenient, although deeper scratches may require several coats. For the best finish, allowing each layer to dry before adding another can help prevent uneven pigmentation. Overall, it's a useful DIY solution for affordable cosmetic repairs, though professional repair remains preferable for extensive paint or body damage. So those are the top 5 best car paint touch-up pen you can buy right now. If this video helped you make a better buying decision, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest reviews. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching.